Hello, peoples. Hello, welcome. How's everybody this afternoon and evening? Happy New Year's. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I just said New Year's. I am trying to pull up my... There we go. Now I can hopefully see your comments. Do it this way. Okay, there we go. Welcome. Happy New Year. I am so excited you're here with me. I have been gone for so long from Facebook Lives. I've been posting on my YouTube and I've been posting all the other places, but I just haven't been able to do Facebook Lives. So here is the scoop. My Facebook Lives are going to be at 5 o'clock on Wednesday nights from now on. This means for people on the West Coast, it's going to be right at your dinner hour, and I'm sorry. The problem is if you're on the East Coast, it's 8 o'clock at night for you. So trying to find the perfect time to do a Facebook Live is next to impossible. So I'm going to go with 5 o'clock on Wednesday nights, and I'm going to hope that people can catch me live. And we're going to start that next week. And everybody is going to have to put up with my household being crazy until I get moved out of the space that I'm in. So I'm just accepting that there could be dogs barking, husbands interrupting, kid bugging me, whatever. And I'm just praying that everybody's going to be okay with rolling with it. So that's that scoop. The other scoop is, since we're talking about the new space, check this out. I drew my space. So this will be my new office. And this will be my new stamping area. This will be my office business area. And then these are like the breakdowns. I'm going to have a custom island put in, hopefully. My calyx unit that I'm going to get from there, from IKEA. So I have all my IKEA stuff listed. This isn't really the price because I already own some of these items. I just was listing everything out that would be in there. And then I ordered a bunch of stuff from Stamp and Storage. So that's exciting because it will go in my calyx unit. I am so over the moon excited about this new space. I'm sorry the sunlight's coming in right on top of us and I don't have a curtain. Okay, the other news is that tomorrow launches the new catalog, which I have hanging out here somewhere. Hold, please. Okay, I don't know where they're at, but I can't show you the inside of them anyway. The new catalog celebration brochure starts tomorrow. Hey, Andrea. Hey, Deborah. If you purchase the starter kit, you get this free mini cutter and this 6x6 sampler paper, and you get to choose a stamp set that you want. You pay $99 plus tax, and you get to choose $125 in product. So it's a huge value. So I just wanted to share that because purchasing the starter kit and being part of my little Stampin' family that I have is awesome. Look at all these sampler papers that you get. So we have a fantastically fun group. You would love it to be part of it. Okay, the other thing is, if you purchase the starter kit, you will get in on this early purchase of our coordinating products that is going to be in a second release of Celebration. So that's exciting also. They aren't released yet. They're only available to demonstrators starting tomorrow. The other thing that we're going to talk about really quick, this is all my advertisements, is that the Love and Stampin' Monthly Club is available and open till January 20th. When you sign up, it's $35. You get $20 in product every month that I choose to make your kits with. You get a special surprise from me, which is going to be what I show you today. We make 4 card kits. This is not correct. This is last month. I need to fix that. Videos and PDFs, giveaways, and an exclusive Facebook group. And y'all, the giveaways are on point. Last month, we gave away 9 things. There are stamp sets, pick tools, like crazy. Kathy is on here, actually, Kathy Sanford, and she's in my Love and Stampin' Monthly. Tell them how awesome the giveaways are, Kathy. They're really good. Like, they're really awesome giveaways. So this month, every month I make a gift for the people in my club, and I include it in their kits, and it's already made, so they don't have to make it. It's just a gift from me to them, and they get to open it and enjoy it. So this month they are going to get this as their gift. So spoiler alert, and it has 3 Lindors in it. So these are the heart tins from Stampin' Up, and they will be available tomorrow. I'm going to be ordering a lot of them because I have lots of ideas for them. You actually can bake in these. So I did not know that, and sister and I were arguing about it actually on a Facebook Live, and I read the catalog, and sure enough, you can bake in them. So I think it will be super cute to bake in these little cakes and top them and then have them to give away for Valentine's. And then you can just eat right out of the little tin. So super cute. And then these are the lids for the tin. They come like this. And there's 10 in a pack, I believe, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 10 in a pack. So we do that. Oh yeah, Virginia's on here too. Yay. Hi, Virginia. And the giveaways, yeah, she's saying they're very awesome. Okay, so we're going to make this tin really quick. So it'll come like this. It fits 3 Lindors perfectly. And then the lid just pops right on, which is great because that just makes such an easy treat to give, right? And then these heart doilies will be available starting tomorrow. And I just took a little bit of snail adhesive and added it to the inside of this tin or lid. And then I've got my Whisper White thick punch, which I use this for. And I've got my Flirty Flamingo ink. And on this one, I did the real red. So the heart doilies come in a big pack, and there's red and there's Flirty Flamingo. So it's kind of nice you get a mix. And then I'm just going to stamp love you lots because I do love my club members lots. We are really, ooh, that's blurry. Can't give that to anybody. We are really starting to have lots of fun in that group. They're sharing their pictures of their creations, and I'm hoping some of them will purchase the starter kit and become team members because, yeah, we have that much fun in our team group too. Or family members, as I like to refer to them. Okay, get these peeled off. So I used a few dimensionals, adding this to the top. How easy and simple is this? And then because I can't get enough of these heart, from my heart gems, I mean, I seriously am obsessed with these. I've put them on every project that you could possibly put them on. And I have made so many Valentine's projects at this point. I'm already like wearing out of Valentine's. It's funny. Okay. So I'm going to use my take your pick tool, and I like to take this piece off and use it to help me place my gems. So I can pick it up with one end, which is fantabulous, and then the other end I use to kind of like push it off. Whoops. Get back over there, you stinker. And then I want a red one. So I ordered a chair today. We went shopping, and I need a chair desperately because our house just doesn't have enough seating. So we ordered a chair. It's so pretty. I love it. I can't wait to show you guys. I'll be taking pictures when I get it. And that's it. How simple is that? But it's so super cute. And I know that my club members are going to feel loved when they get this from me with those yummy chocolates inside. These ones are peppermint chocolates, which I didn't know this, but the Lindor peppermint chocolates are actually seasonal. You can't get them all year long. So I've got some of those left, and then I'll just have to go buy some regular chocolate ones. But I thought this was really cute, and it's so simple and fun. And you could, you know, give this to anybody. They would be happy to have this. Okay, so if you want to join Love and Stampin' Monthly, go to loveandstampin.com/classes. The link is in the description of this video. And try it out for a month. It's $35. You get everything in the mail at the end of the month. So January 20th is when this closes, and then you'll get everything in the mail at the end of the month. So yeah, it's fun, and I think you would love it. And tomorrow I will be live again for a special Facebook Live, doing a little catalog stroll and just talking about the new fun things in the catalog. Let's do a couple giveaways, because I haven't been on here in so long, and I think it would be fun to do a couple giveaways. So I've got a pack of Magnolia Designer Series paper, a pack of Bird Ballad, and a pack of the new Country Club. So I don't know what time tomorrow yet, Deborah. I'm living on a wing and a prayer here, sister, until Monday when everybody goes back to school. I'm just not sure yet. I know that I have something I have to be at in Jackson at 1:30. And then, yeah, I don't know. It'll probably be in the morning, but I'm not for sure. Okay, let's see. Winners are Jen Calistini, number 1. So we'll send her this one. Let me get a post-it note. Oh, here's some right here. Posties. Jen Calistini, you won. Jen, congrats. Next up is this golf paper. Cheryl Brady. And if I don't have your info, I definitely need you to contact me with it. And number 3 is Wendy Lynn Johnson. I feel like she won something not too long ago. Wendy Lynn Johnson. Congrats. Okay, so I think that's everything I was going to share today. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I hope it's filled with love. I hope that 2020 is filled with love for you, and that you have an amazing start to your new year. I'm going to hop off here and go outside and help my husband clean the hot tub so that I can hopefully take a dip in it tonight. I'll talk to you guys later, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.